Okay, is it low pitch? Come on. Oh. Longer. Oh.
Okay, high pitch.
Okay. So waking up the bird.
One again.
Come on. Low pitch, low pitch. Oh, like the sheep. Oh.
High. High pitch first.
Okay. Oh, high pitch.
How about low?
Tenor? How about low? Okay, high pitch.
What are you eating? What are you eating?
Popsicle.
Popsicle?
Popsicle?
Bakit may cup?
EJ, paano yung high? Low. Low. Lower.
Low.
Look at Daddy.
Oh, that's the high pitch. Okay, low pitch. Do.
Oh, those are rhyming words, huh?
Rhyming words. Hat, sat, cat, rat, mat. What?
What rhymes with hat? What rhymes with hat? Toy. Oh.
Yeah. Sat, rat, mat, cat.
This is not.
Nice.
Not sat that.
Okay, make some rhyming words.
Rat,
Rhyming words
rat,
with.
sat that rat.
How about dog?
Hair. Woof woof.
Not the sound of the dog. What rhymes with dog? Oh, ano?
High pitch ulit.
How about truck?
Wake up the bird, dali.
Nabubuhay.
Okay.
High pitch na naman yun eh. Sensitive eh. Okay. Kanya-kanya ka ng seso sa sound.
Okay, one more time.
One more time.
Okay. Why mo even?
Oh, wake him up. Come on.
Wake him up.
Okay, low pitch. Oh.